Welcome to Iman's World. Let's get started. Let's go. Making money online can help you stay afloat during these troubled times, but it can also help you escape your 9-to-5 job. 26 ways to earn money online. 1. Start dropshipping online. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rising, highlighting its viability as a business idea. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rising, highlighting its viability as a business idea. If you don't know what dropshipping is a form of retail business wherein the seller accepts customer orders without keeping stock on hand. 2. Try print on demand. TOD is another popular way to earn money online. Many individuals have adopted this business model because it has lower overhead than other businesses. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping in the sense that you don't need to carry inventory or ship out products to customers yourself. 3. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to be a stable way to earn through the internet. 4. Start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. 5. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. 6. Create an online course. Selling courses is one of the best ways to make money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses online. To create a popular and successful course, take inspiration from trending courses in your niche. 7. Publish an ebook. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, it's never been easier to publish an ebook. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish it, and promote it. To generate sales for your ebook, focus on marketing tactics that are proven to attract customers. 8. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest methods for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. 9. Consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job being your 9-to-5 role and do it online instead. There's a never-ending list of job platforms for each type of freelancer too. 10. Create an app. All you have to do is come up with a unique app idea, identify the audience you want to target, and create a brand image for your product. The programmer you hire will take care of things on the development front. 11. Become a writer. With a growing interest in content marketing, more and more companies are looking for writers who can fill their web properties with great content. The secret to succeeding as a writer is to focus on a specific niche. When applying for writing jobs, make sure to send relevant samples to the recruiter. If someone asks for a marketing writing sample, send them a marketing writing sample. Don't send a finance article or a fitness one. 12. Do side gigs. Side gigs can help you make money online while you keep your full-time job. If you're looking to make an extra couple $100 per month, this is a great idea. The work doesn't always last long-term, but it can. 13. Do translation work. Translation is a fairly underserved niche, meaning there's less competition in this field than in other niche markets. To capitalize on the opportunity, you need to be fluent in at least 2 languages. If you're bilingual or majored in a popular language in school, this may be a great money-making eye. 14. Sell your stuff. An easy way to make extra cash is to sell the stuff you no longer use. When using this strategy, make sure the items you put up for sale are of value to today's buyers. 15. Become an online tutor. If you want to make money online on your own schedule, consider becoming an online tutor. If you have a teaching degree, you may be more likely to land a tutoring position. Having a degree or experience in a language is essential for this type of job. 16. Drive your car. If you own a car, you can make some spare cash as an Uber driver or delivery person. But even if you don't, you can still deliver food and other essentials using your bicycle or moped. 17. Become a virtual assistant. With so many entrepreneurs building businesses, the demand for virtual assistants is increasing almost daily. A virtual assistant is a self-employed individual who provides services to a business from a remote location. Writing, bookkeeping, social media, and customer support are just a few of the services you might offer as a virtual. 18. Become a Twitch streamer. While Twitch started as a gaming platform, it's quickly evolving to include other types of content. Nowadays, Twitch streaming is an increasingly popular way to make money online. To make money fast on Twitch, you'll need to grow your following. If you're consistent, streaming on this platform can help you build a sizable audience fast. 19. Sell your photography. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love snapping great pictures, you can make money online by selling your images. 20. Sell clothes online. You likely have clothes you haven't worn in the past year and don't have any intention of ever wearing again. Rather than letting them take up space in your closet, why not make money off of them? Whether you sell your clothes, handbags, or shoes. 21. Sell your designs online. Graphic design is an amazing skill that you can monetize in several ways. You can go the print-on-demand route and sell your designs on your own custom products. 22. Review apps and websites. You'll communicate your ideas and feedback to the entrepreneur through a video while navigating their website or app. Your video is only 20 minutes long. 23. Get a part-time job. When you've done whatever it takes to make money fast but struggle to make an impact, sometimes you're left with no choice but to get a part-time job. You can browse part-time jobs on Indeed or a niche job board that caters to your field. 24. Become a TikTok consultant. One of the trendiest ways to make money online is to become a TikTok consultant. Brands will contact you for brainstorming video ideas, developing engaging bios, and more. It's the perfect money-making opportunity for digital nomads. You can run the entire business from your smartphone. 25. Sell greeting cards online. If you have a knack for picking out the perfect greeting card for different occasions, this might be an easy way to make money online. 26. Do voiceover work. Voiceover work is an excellent way to make money fast. Since most voice-over jobs are project-based, a long-term commitment isn't required. Companies are always looking for new voice-over talents. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe too.